Good morning and namaste, dear students. Welcome to this educational program of Join School Family Rupandei. It is a virtual class developed by Join School Family and it is specially designed for the student of class 8. I am your English teacher and I am going to teach you English in this class. It is the continuation of the same topic, that is essay writing. We are going to discuss how to write an essay. In the previous video, we have discussed the meaning of essay. Similarly, we have also discussed the type of essay. There are 4 types of essays: descriptive essay, narrative essay, reflective essay, argumentative or expository essay. So we have discussed these 4 types of essays in the previous video. Today in this class we are going to discuss about the parts of an essay. A good essay has 3 parts, that is introduction, body and conclusion. The 3 parts are interrelated. They are interconnected with each other, and there is unity or coherence or order between these parts. Let's discuss in detail about these 3 parts of a good essay. First, introduction. The introductory paragraph is the first paragraph of an essay. It opens with a very general statement that introduces the main idea of the essay. The main idea of essay is stated in a single sentence called the thesis statement. The introductory statement could be an anecdote. Anecdote means a short, interesting or amusing story about a real person or things. The introductory statement could be an anecdote, quotation, saying, description, striking statistic, a fact, definition, proverbs, or general statement, or simply stating the background, and that will lead to the thesis statement. The introductory paragraphs accomplished 3 purposes. It captures the reader's interest. It suggests the importance of essay's topic, and it ends with a thesis statement. All these things are written in the introductory part of a good essay. The second part is body. In this part, the subject matter is illustrated. Illustrated means to make the meaning of something clear by using example, fact or figure or pictures, etc. The subject matter is described, illustrated, described and elaborated with fact, examples, data and information from various sources. The body consists of a paragraph or more paragraphs, depending upon the requirements of the topic. Discuss one idea in one paragraph and discuss another idea in another paragraph. the paragraphs which includes types, causes, importance, objectives, problems, solution, advantages, disadvantages, okay, effects, present situation, past situation of the topic. Some connectors or special transition words are used to connect the supporting paragraphs to make the paragraph smooth and logical. Here we are going to learn some transition words, some connectors, some linking words which makes the essay smooth and logical. Here is a table, look. Here is a table, and this table shows the transitional words or connectors or linking words and their function. In the first column, you see the transition words or connectors or linking words. In the second column, there is a function, function of these transitional words. First, see here, first, second, third, finally, etc. These are the name of some transitional words. And function of these words is for introducing and listing points. If you want to introduce some points or if you want to list some points, you have to use these transitional words. With the help of these transitional words, you have to introduce some points or list some points. Another, however, even though, on the other hand, nevertheless, while. The function of these transitional words is for introducing a contrasting point. If you want to write the contrasting points in the essay, to make the essay smooth and logical, you have to use these transitional words. However, even though, on the other hand, nevertheless, while. Similarly, another, in addition to, related to, furthermore, moreover, also. These transitional words are used in the essay for supplying additional idea. If you want to write additional idea in the paragraphs of the essay, you have to use these words, another, in addition to, related to, furthermore, moreover, also. Likewise, therefore, thus, as a result, consequently. These transitional words are used for showing cause and effect. You are showing the cause and effect in your paragraphs, in your essay. You have to use these words, therefore, thus, as a result, consequently. If you use these words, there is a unity, coherence, and order in the paragraphs, in the sentences. These words link your sentences and your paragraphs. And finally, in short, to sum up, thus, in capsule form, in conclusion, these are the transitional words used for concluding or for ending the paragraphs. In this way, these are some transitional words. These are some example of transitional words. There are much more transitional words which are used in writing essay or writing other things. If you use the transitional words, in your writing, your writing becomes more smooth, and it becomes a standard writing. So use as many as transitional words in your writing to make your writing a standard writing. And the last part of the essay is conclusion. Conclusion is the last part of the essay. The conclusion is the last or ending paragraph of the essay. Here, the student should conclude the essay in one short paragraph with your view, suggestion, and your evaluation. As the introduction should create interest, the conclusion should satisfy it. The introductory paragraph create interest in readers. The concluding part should satisfy the readers. It summarizes, the conclusion or the ending paragraphs summarizes or restates the main idea of the essay using different words and sentences. This is all about the parts of a good essay. Let's see what things let's see let's recap what we have learned in this class. In this class we have learned the part of an essay. The essay, there are 3 parts in a good essay. The 3 parts are introduction, the first paragraph of the essay, another body of the essay, that is mid paragraph. The mid paragraph, the body of the essay you can write sometime in 1 paragraph, or sometimes you can write more than 1 paragraph. And the last part of the essay is conclusion. That is the last paragraph. In this way, following this part, following this structure, you have to write a good essay. In the next video, we'll discuss one example of an essay. Only this much for today. Rest we'll discuss in our next class. Thank you for watching the video.